This 5C is sad. It's literally been sitting on the charger all day. There's no life coming into it. Even the vibration motor, nothing happens. So it could be a lot of possible explanations of why this particular phone, very dirty phone, will not work. One of them could be a bad battery, a second one could be a bad motherboard, a third one could be a bad screen, and the fourth one can be a bad dock connector. I'm gonna go ahead and get our toolkit here, and just in case I have a lot of donor 5Cs, except these two actually turn on. Doesn't this just bring you guys back to last year when my entire channel was all about the 5C? First, we're gonna go into the phone and see if there are any cables that are unplugged from the phone, because that could be the case. It could be stuff that's unplugged or where it shouldn't be. Looking at the screen here, it does appear like every connector is where it should be. It even seems like it's snapped into place, but I don't know if it's just me or if it kind of looks like it's liquid damaged a little bit. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. We are gonna go ahead and take off all of the screen connectors just so we can work on it. Put that aside because we don't know if the screen is bad yet. I'm actually gonna connect the screen back up because what I forgot to test was without the battery. So we're gonna unplug the battery, we're gonna plug in the 5C, see if that fixes it. Okay, so we ruled out it is not the battery that is at fault here. Put the screen back there. Let's look at that battery. I mean, it's not terrible. So what we're gonna do now is actually remove literally every connector and then take out the motherboard. And it actually looks like it wanted to pop out anyway, so yeah, it's out now. Taking a look at it, I don't see really anything particularly wrong with it. I don't know, maybe you guys can see something that I can't. Maybe on the back? No, this should work. It says 9.2.1. So this is a working board. At least it should be. I don't know why it's not working. It's fine. We have a donor 5C. The battery I don't believe works. Maybe. I actually don't know if the battery on this one works. It does look flat. Okay, let's test if this one works. Okay, this one works. Oh, I can't tell if it's the battery or the screen. That is interesting. Okay, I've never seen that before. Let's turn the light off and we're gonna see that again. Yeah, that's really odd. Okay, I'm gonna leave a stopwatch going so we can see how long this phone will take to charge up. Okay, so it seems like it turned on, however, it's in recovery mode, which is not a good sign because this motherboard, I'm pretty sure should work. Well, if that's the case, then we're gonna unplug it. We're gonna actually swap the motherboard because I guess this one is defective. So, I'm gonna unplug all these and get this motherboard out. Boink. There we go. This has no label on it, so yeah, I guess it's pretty bad. This one, 9.2.1. Let's put it in here. Let's connect everything up. Connect the screen. Okay, screen is connected. Let's push it in and let's test. Okay, so this board is actually dead. That board is actually dead. So we're gonna disconnect everything again. I'm gonna set it down gently. Now let's take a look at our loaner 5Cs, see if they have a motherboard I can borrow. and none of them do. Okay, I'm out of luck. Well, I do still have a bag of iPhone parts that I can scurry through. Let's try iOS 7.1.2. Let's see if that works. Connect the screen up. See, do you work? Yes. This is not a good idea to do it while it's powering on, but oh well. There. Look. It's powering on. Touchscreen is a little weird, but we can probably work with it. Now, the motherboard, I don't think it likes to charge. This is a fully working iOS 7 iPhone 5C, and it's packed with apps. What's the earliest text message on here? May 17, 2014. But we've actually fixed this iPhone 5C. It's fully working. Look at that. Thank you all for watching this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, or even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.